Starting with Excel import. Here we have our Excel sheet. Columns A to H represent the project hierarchy, such as plant, area, unit, location, and section levels. From column I onward, you can use your own custom project data, instruments, motors, cabinets, control stations, and more. On the right side, this is the Import Definition window, where we configure the mapping. We can enhance the data on the fly using prefixes, suffixes, and regular expressions. This means you can instantly apply naming standards without changing your original Excel. And the best part? If your Excel gets updated in the future, just re-import it, and the entire project updates automatically. No manual corrections. No recreating devices. No headache. Once we import the data, Cadmatic automatically creates all devices, locations, and circuit structures. I/O list and automatic reporting. Here is our I/O list report. Let's open a pump tag and we can instantly see all its I/O points. Indication, feedback, start-stop command, and more. All of these were generated automatically. Imagine preparing a complete I/O list in seconds instead of days. Feeder sizing made easy. Now let's move into feeder sizing, a core part of basic electrical engineering. From here, we choose motor categories like working or standby and configure which MCC they belong to. We select kilowatt ratings using drop-down values, no manual typing. And here is our automatically generated feeder load report. For example, the total load on MCC the 01 right now is 37 kilowatts. Want to see something powerful? Watch what happens when we move a few pumps to MCC the 02. In one click, the report recalculates and we get immediate visibility for comparison. Instant decision making. No recalculation spreadsheets. No confusion. Placing equipment in 2D and exporting to 3D. Now comes the most exciting transformation, bringing your design to life. We'll open our CAD database tool, where all the imported equipment tags are ready for use. From our extensive library, we simply assign symbols and place equipment into the 2D layout. Copying assemblies is effortless, like working the standby pump pairs. Just copy, paste, assign tags, and you're done. And now, watch the magic happen. We click Export to Plant Modeler, and Cadmatic confirms that 14 devices have been exported: motors, control stations, and cabinets. Inside the 3D model, we select the required 3D symbols. Pump, motor, cabinet, and Cadmatic automatically places them at the exact XYZ coordinates derived from 2D. The 3D environment instantly comes alive, perfectly aligned with the 2D layout. Real-time synchronization, collaboration without chaos. If the 3D designer needs to resolve collisions or rearrange spacing, they can directly move those devices in 3D. Back in Cadmatic Electrical, we run Synchronize, and the system highlights original coordinates, new coordinates, differences. With one click, we accept updates, and now 2D and 3D are perfectly in sync. No outdated drawings, no lost communication, no rework, pure digital collaboration. Now we arrive at a very important and often underestimated stage of basic electrical engineering: cable sizing. This step is absolutely critical because the entire safety, performance, and cost efficiency of the electrical system depends on choosing the right cable. And here is where Cadmatic Electrical makes the process smarter, faster, and error-free. From and to assignment, building the foundation. First, we assign the from and to locations. For example, our cable may originate from MCC the 01 or MCC the 02 and terminate at a field motor, instrument panel, or control box. Once these locations are selected, the cable now has a complete routing definition. It knows where it starts and where it ends. This step may sound simple, but it is the foundation for everything that follows. Generating the cable sizing report. Now, with just a click, we generate the cable sizing report. This report automatically gathers all required details, such as cable ID, connected equipment tag, equipment rating, kilowatt, current, duty, installation and system category. Instead of manually searching through PDFs and catalogs or doing calculations in separate tools, we simply connect this to our custom calculation Excel sheet, powered by your own engineering formulas. Cadmatic automatically fills the sheet with real project data: cable ID, equipment rating, load current, length, and more. The sheet then instantly recommends the correct cable size according to your engineering rules. Assigning real manufacturer cable types. Once the suitable size is calculated, we return to Cadmatic and assign the cable type from our project cable type database, which contains real, standard manufacturer specifications. So instead of assumptions, we are now assigning cables that are technically correct, available in the market, optimized for performance and safety, and fully aligned with procurement and cost planning. Every decision is traceable, controlled, and backed by engineering logic. Cable tray layout and automatic cable routing. Now let's move into a very powerful part of Cadmatic Electrical: the cable tray layout and automatic cable routing workflow, which plays a key role in early-stage basic engineering. Cadmatic gives us a dedicated tool to quickly draw cable trays directly in 2D. These trays act as the first-level routing philosophy for the project. Even at this early stage, we can clearly define the main tray route, branching directions, and tray types like power, control, or communication. The moment we draw them in 2D, they become instantly visible in 3D. This alone brings huge clarity because the 3D designers now understand the electrical routing intention right from day one. Once the basic layout is ready, we export these trays to the 3D environment through MDL format. This avoids the usual back-and-forth communication, misunderstandings, and sketch-based clarifications between electrical and 3D design teams. The 3D designers directly receive a clean, ready-to-use tray layout inside Plant Modeler. Even in the 2D environment, Cadmatic Electrical gives you powerful cable routing capabilities. When you select a cable and choose a draw cable in drawing, the software immediately shows the from and to locations, so you instantly understand the intended path. You can also use the route command to guide the cable through the cable tray layout. The system asks where the cable should enter the tray and where it should exit, allowing you to control the route precisely. Once you connect the cable from its starting point to its destination, Cadmatic automatically calculates the entire path, including elevations, vertical rises, horizontal runs, and all tray bends. This means you get an accurate cable length right at the initial stage of basic engineering, making estimation, planning, and early validation far more reliable and efficient. You can also export all cable data to the 3D design environment and use the cable manager to auto-route multiple cables at once. The system calculates accurate 3D cable lengths for the entire batch instantly, saving huge time and giving you reliable numbers right from the basic engineering stage. Instead of guesswork or manual measurement, we get reliable, engineering accurate lengths. When we synchronize back to Cadmatic Electrical, cable lengths update automatically. Voltage drop calculations adjust, and the engineer can immediately revalidate the cable sizes. This creates a smooth, coordinated workflow between basic engineering and 3D design, reduces rework, and provides a clear, consistent routing philosophy for the entire project. In short, cable tray layout and automatic routing make early engineering faster, clearer, and far more accurate, ensuring that both 2D and 3D teams stay perfectly aligned from the very beginning. For detailed cable sizing and load calculations, we can directly send the prepared data to ETAP using the DIALux Excel format. This gives ETAP all required inputs right from the basic engineering stage, ready for advanced analysis. Lighting and DIALux integration. Cadmatic Electrical also offers a powerful integration with DIALux Evo using the IFC import-export workflow. We can export our GA or room layout geometry directly from Cadmatic to DIALux, giving the lighting designer an accurate model to work with. Inside DIALux Evo, we place lighting arrangements, run all lux level calculations, and finalize the fixture layout based on project requirements. Once the calculations are complete, we simply use the DIALux import window in Cadmatic Electrical to bring the IFC file back into our project. The software automatically populates all lighting fixtures in the electrical database, including their locations and quantities. From there, we can assign product models, update makes, or change symbols as needed. This keeps both lighting design and 3D layout fully aligned, accurate, and ready for further detailing. P&ID integration. If you're using Cadmatic P&ID, there is a direct and seamless integration. With the built-in wizard, Cadmatic Electrical automatically reads all valves, equipment, and instruments from the P&ID. You simply map the attributes and import them into Electrical, ensuring that your entire P&ID data flows smoothly into the electrical database for further engineering work. If you're using Cadmatic's IM product, eShare, you can publish all electrical PDFs directly to eShare with a single click. This integration keeps your drawings accessible for review and collaboration across disciplines. In summary, today, we saw how Cadmatic Electrical delivers a seamless integrated engineering workflow. Excel import to intelligent database. Automatic I/O and feeder reports. 2D concept layout 3D model export. Real-time 2D 3D synchronization. Cable sizing and automatic routing. ETAP and DIALux integration. P&ID and eShare connectivity. This is digital engineering done right, faster project execution, higher accuracy, and a unified ecosystem from basic to detailed design.